Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming account info and the gateway model so you can activate without delay. Connect the coax to the wall and the gateway, then plug in power. Wait for the front LEDs to show stable power and downstream sync. This indicates the unit is talking to the network. Next, connect a laptop via Ethernet for the initial setup because wired access avoids wireless interference. Once done, keep the gateway in an open, central spot to maximize coverage while you proceed with activation. Now you activate the gateway through your Xfinity account or app using the MAC or serial printed on the label, and follow prompts to register the device to your service. After activation, name your Wi-Fi networks and set a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password so devices connect securely. Change the gateway admin password to prevent unauthorized changes. Enable automatic firmware updates to keep security current. If you need separation, manually choose 2, 4 and 5 GHz channels. Otherwise, use Smart Connect. Finish by connecting your devices to the new SSID and running a speed test to confirm expected throughput and latency. Walk through rooms to verify Wi-Fi coverage and reposition the gateway or add extenders if weak. Reboot the gateway after making settings changes. Watch LED patterns for clues. Solid online light means good sync, amber or blinking may indicate problems. If things still fail, perform a factory reset only as a last resort. Then contact Xfinity support with your Gateway MAC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.